I've been living in Lebanon for 13 years and I haven't filed taxes the entire time I've been here. I got married in that time. And so I'm like, we need to file, I guess, if I want to come back to the US at any point. If I do get income in the US, which might happen because my father just passed. So I'm dealing with inheritance issues and stuff. But my question for you is, should I file all 10 years?
The good news is you don't have to file all 10 years to get back in the system. The other news is that you don't want to wait till you go back to US to get back in the system. You want to do it while you're outside the US.
Right.
There's a program called Streamlined Offshore, which is only for expats. So you want to make sure you're an expat when you do it. And we have guys that moved back and they were an expat before, then they moved home, and now we're behind. We want to file 3 years. But if it's called Streamlined Domestic Onshore when you're in the US, and there's a 5% penalty associated with that. So that can cost you some money. So you better to do it when you're an expat. It's 3 late years. So at the moment, it's 21, 22, and 23. And 1 current year, 24. So it's a 4-year filing, and it's 6 years of bank reporting if you need to and your balances dictate you have to. So just depends. So 6 years bank reporting, 4 years tax return.
Okay. And the second question I have is I don't know if you follow how bad the banking system is here. There we don't have for a long time we didn't have transfers in and out of banks, and we
Yeah.
had like parallel exchange rates. I mean, different exchange rates for different things.
I lived in Russia, Central Asia for 10 years, so I'm used to black market rate.
Okay. So, but part of that is the bank, like you can't withdraw that. And like I had some of that, but it's not worth anything, right? So there's like, how does the US government deal with like because they're in US dollars, but you're not able to withdraw them in fresh cash. Basically, that's what we call it. We call it here. So are you guys familiar with that in Lebanon? Like, can I work? So then we can reach out and talk about that. And you think I'd only file 4 years for the
It's 4,
streamlined?
yeah, it's a 4-year filing.
Okay, and I don't file anything before that?
They'll forgive the prior years if they accept your 4-year filing. Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Okay. Thank
Pretty
you so
good.
much.
You're welcome. We'll reach out to you, send you an email.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much, Michael.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.